Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Prakriti Pavani's modern fashion choices radiate a bold, chic, and contemporary sense of style, making her a standout in the world of fashion. Known for her ability to mix elegance with edgy pieces, the beauty often gravitates towards outfits that highlight her dynamic personality. One of her signature looks includes bodycon dresses, which perfectly emphasize her toned physique. Whether it's a sleek black number with intricate cutouts or a vibrant, printed dress, she knows how to carry the style with effortless grace. She often complements these outfits with bold accessories like chunky earrings, layered necklaces, and statement heels that elevate the overall look. Another key aspect of her fashion choices is her love for jumpsuits and playsuits, which strike a balance between comfort and style. She often opts for well-tailored jumpsuits in neutral shades, like beige or white, paired with trendy belts or scarves to cinch her waist. When it comes to casual wear, Prakriti Pavani leans into a mix of street style and high fashion. She knows how to balance casual comfort with sophisticated elements, often seen rocking denim jackets over chic camisoles or stylish turtlenecks with fitted trousers. Her footwear choices range from trendy sneakers to elegant stilettos, ensuring her looks are versatile yet fashion-forward. The beauty also shines in the realm of glamorous evening wear, often making bold statements with sequined gowns or metallic dresses that shimmer under the lights. These outfits highlight her affinity for dramatic, red carpet-ready styles, complete with deep necklines, thigh-high slits, or open back designs. Her makeup and hairstyle choices further amplify her bold fashion statements, often going for sultry smoky eyes, nude lips, and sleek hairstyles that add to the drama of her outfits. Her ability to adapt to different fashion trends while maintaining her unique sense of style is truly remarkable. From athleisure to high fashion looks, the actress embodies the essence of a modern-day fashionista, unafraid to experiment with different textures, patterns, and silhouettes. She has a natural flair for blending urban chic with playful, experimental styles. She often turns heads in co-ord sets that feature vibrant prints, geometric patterns, and unique color palettes. These coordinated pieces, whether they are sleek trouser suits or matching crop tops and skirts, allow her to effortlessly transition from daytime chic to evening elegance. She plays with contrasts in her co-ord looks, pairing bold, vibrant colors with minimalist accessories, creating a balance between sophistication and fun. She's known to pair oversized sweatshirts or hoodies with thigh-high boots, adding a bold twist to otherwise casual outfits. This trend, which mixes elements of athleisure with high fashion, has become one of her signature looks. Prakriti is equally comfortable in a pair of distressed jeans and a graphic tee as she is in a more structured, high-fashion ensemble, always making sure to add her unique spin to even the most laid-back outfits. In her athleisure wardrobe, the beauty loves to experiment with both form and function. She's often seen sporting trendy activewear sets, such as leggings with mesh detailing, sports bras in vibrant hues, and matching jackets that elevate the usual gym outfit into something photo-worthy. Her ability to incorporate athletic fashion into her everyday style showcases her versatility, as she pairs sporty pieces like leggings and sneakers with oversized trench coats or bomber jackets for a more off-duty, chic aesthetic. Her approach to athleisure is never boring, as she's known to accessorize these looks with baseball caps, bold sunglasses, and sleek backpacks, adding a level of urban sophistication to even the most relaxed ensembles. Beyond casual and athleisure looks, her flair for glam rock fashion is undeniable. She often opts for folks leather outfits, including pencil skirts paired with edgy crop tops or biker jackets layered over sleek bodysuits. These looks, often completed with bold eyeliner and metallic accents in her jewelry, have earned her a reputation for having a daring, rocker chic side. Her love for metallics and bold, structured silhouettes is evident in many of her night-out ensembles, which range from shiny silver dresses with exaggerated shoulders to gold-pleated skirts paired with dramatic, ruffled tops. Her attention to detail, be it in the form of studded accessories, statement belts, or eye-catching metallic heels, elevates these edgy looks to high fashion status. Her vacation style, too, is an extension of her effortlessly stylish persona. When she's off to a beach getaway or a tropical holiday, she gravitates towards flowy maxi dresses, airy kaftans, and off-shoulder tops paired with high-waisted shorts. Bold floral prints, tropical motifs, and bright, cheerful colors dominate her vacation wardrobe. She is often seen accessorizing these breezy looks with oversized sunglasses, straw hats, and delicate anklets, giving her beach style a touch of laid-back luxury. Even in her resort wear, the beauty manages to blend comfort with a sense of glamour, often opting for flowy fabrics like chiffon and silk that move beautifully with the wind, while still adding bold accessories that give the look a polished finish. Her swimwear choices further highlight her playful yet glamorous fashion sense. The actress often opts for stylish bikinis and monokinis with unique cuts, bold prints, and embellishments that stand out against the backdrop of sandy beaches or luxurious poolsides. From high-waisted bikinis with retro vibes to sleek, modern monokinis with cutout details, she knows how to select swimwear that not only flatters her figure but also reflects her bold and confident personality. Her beach looks are often completed with trendy cover-ups, such as sheer sarongs or crochet tunics, which add an extra layer of style to her seaside appearances. In colder months, the actress effortlessly transitions to winter fashion, layering her looks with oversized coats, faux fur jackets, and knee-high boots. She is known for her love of long, tailored coats in neutral tones, paired with high-neck sweaters or turtlenecks for a sophisticated winter look. Her fashion choices reflect her adventurous and multifaceted style. Whether she's rocking a form-fitting jumpsuit, a bold sequined gown, or an oversized sweatshirt with leather boots, Prakriti brings an undeniable level of confidence and class to every outfit she wears. Her modern fashion evolution continues to push boundaries, showcasing her remarkable ability to adapt and redefine her look for different occasions and moods. One of the standout features of her wardrobe is her love for androgynous fashion, where she seamlessly incorporates masculine elements into her feminine style. She's often spotted in sharp, tailored blazers, oversized suits, and wide-legged trousers, which she pairs with sleek heels or chunky boots. This balance between structured pieces and soft accents highlights her confidence in mixing traditionally masculine cuts with a feminine flair. Her monochrome pantsuits, often accessorized with statement belts or minimalistic jewelry, have become a hallmark of her polished yet daring style. In addition to androgynous pieces, Prakriti also excels at mastering the art of layering, a skill that truly elevates her fashion game. Whether it's layering a turtleneck under a slip dress or pairing a leather jacket over a delicate lace top, her looks are always multi-dimensional, blending textures and styles that create visual interest. Her layering choices often mix casual and formal elements, like pairing denim with luxurious fabrics such as silk or satin, giving her outfits a rich depth and contrast. Her layered looks aren't just practical but are also a testament to her creative approach to fashion, showcasing how she can take basic wardrobe staples and transform them into something visually striking. Her style is her ability to make bold fashion statements without going overboard. She often chooses outfits with minimal embellishments, letting the cut and fit of the garment speak for themselves. For example, she's been seen in minimalist midi dresses that, while simple in design, make a powerful impact due to their perfect tailoring and sleek silhouettes. Prakriti gravitates towards solid colors in her minimalistic looks, such as whites, blacks, and neutrals, yet she always adds a touch of personality with accessories like oversized sunglasses, layered gold chains, or statement shoes. Her love for structured, minimalistic pieces reflects her preference for clean, modern lines while maintaining an aura of effortless elegance. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.